Hey guys, it's Rowan. I don't know why, but she loves to sit on the counter all the time. Now go be free. Okay, so today I'm showing you my favorite snacks and how to make them, stuff like that. Just like an overview. I usually start off as something and then totally change the subject. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. So my favorite snack is bagels with extra cream cheese and Sprite. Okay, so my second commenter is Maggie Lopez, another person from my class, just like Andrea Israel. She's in my class. So go check out, I'm not sure if Andrea has a YouTube channel, but if she does, go check it out. And go check my friend Maggie Lopez's YouTube channel, cause I don't know, because why not? Cause almost like they're my best friends, so I want you to check it out, okay? Just saying, man. Because if you don't, something's wrong with you. And so, for some reason, I post a lot of videos, but they never really make it onto my YouTube channel. But when I commented to my friend Alexis's YouTube channel, which is Psycho Kittens, and my friend Maggie hit the comment button, she found my YouTube channel and all my videos. I don't know how, but Andrea, well, Maggie, if you're watching this, then tell Andrea how to get to all my videos. So, yeah, because Andrea really wants me to make more videos, and I always try to, but it doesn't make it on. So, yeah. I am totally obsessed with, I'm totally obsessed with cream cheese, bagels, and Sprite. But sometimes I put a little bit too much cream on there. Then we gotta put everything away. Look at how I have to do. Because I'm obsessed with cream cheese. I don't know why. Because some people are different. Some people like different foods, and this is my favorite food. And also Sprite. Because, I mean, who doesn't love Sprite? I mean, the good thing is, this snake is online. But the good thing is, my mom bought slime, my mom bought glue. Guess what that means? Smile video. See, I totally changed the subject. So, gotta eat my snack first. But before we make slime, I'll show you the slime that I have so far. Well, I only have like one. I don't know why, but I'm making a collection of avocado seeds. And my friend Abby is making a collection of apple seeds. Come up here. So many tea colors. I don't even know what I'm looking for. I like my slime.
What are you doing?
So, see if this works. So, here's my cat. She loves me so much. She loves... Don't you go touching my bagel. Thank you. Okay, so I have... Sorry. So I have this slime, and I didn't make it, but for Valentine's Day, my friend Miley, she gave, like, everybody else brought, like, cards or Rice Krispie treats or something like that, but Miley decided to go big time, so she gave everybody some of these. Okay, so this slime is honestly, I can't really make good slime, so when we're making slime, I gotta go on my computer and check out how to make slime, because when I make slime, it turns out a disaster. Like, I can make slime, but not really. It's like solid slime, so nobody wants to play with my slime. So, I'll have to get the real ingredients for that. So, and this took about 10 minutes to decorate this box with Nom Nom stickers. Because, I mean, I want my slime thing to smell good. If it doesn't, sorry. Okay, got my computer, got my Sprite, got my bagel, got my glue. I almost see it. Okay, let's kind of look up how to make slime.
You still making a video?
Yeah. Sorry.
In there.
Okay, so I'm trying to look for the thing I want. How to make slime with glue. Okay, so no, not that.
Hey guys, how's it?
I didn't even see. Okay, I think I know what video I want, so. Come on. There we go. Okay, so what I'm choosing is that one. Sorry. I'm using one bottle of glue in case this one is a total disaster. I still got one bottle of glue left, so. Okay, so. Look, I made a snack and I had to eat it. Okay, so. Looking at the ingredients because I'm honestly, like, if I don't have someone help me make slime, I'm horrible at it. Oh gosh. Like basic slime. There we go. Oh, what's going on? Oh, if it works. Oh, if it works. Who cares? It's still glue. Oh wait, I need. So, looks like so far we need glue and a big bowl and a little bowl. I'm gonna go get that. Okay, I got those. I got it. So then you gotta pour the glue into the big bowl and pour all of it. Pour it all. Dang it. Oh my gosh. It's freezing. Mom, I did not fart.
I kind of figured.
Just getting all that out. Oh! There's one heck of a thing. Oh. Sorry to burst your bubble. Okay.
Sorry to burst your bubble.
What? Gotta get all over. Because I want a lot of sun. Not too much, but. Okay.
We have trash cans.
While she's doing that. It's taking so long. There we go. Finish up, lady. What are you doing? Okay, so I guess I gotta add water to this one. So whatever you shake. Okay, got that. Gotta shake this up. I was wondering what she was doing to that glue. What was it? Okay. Now I have to. Now I gotta pour the rest in. Oh, it's like barf. I want to get this right. Oh, now we gotta get a bowl. Get a bowl. Why didn't she just tell all the ingredients at the first place? Sweet. Then people want to go up and get stuff and so, be so annoying.
What are we doing?
Oh my god. Is this what it's supposed to be doing? We're good. Oh, now
What
what?
should we do for dinner?
Girlie, do you want pizza or do you want something else?
Pizza!
Pizza!
Babysit my mother. Okay. I got the weirdest family to say. Okay, so
Yeah.
I gotta pour this into the little bowl.
It explains a lot, really, about
Hey,
you.
Lana. This is definitely not the bowl. Mom, can you please get me like a little tiny bowl? Like,
How about you ask your daddy? Because I gotta find my keys.
Sonner,
What?
can you please get me
Sissy.
like a bowl, please?
Like a bowl?
Yeah.
So not a bowl, but like a bowl?
Likeable. Are you likable? I'm not likable. I'm more like a cup. I'm more like a cup.
Can you just get me a bowl for Pete's sake?
Who's Pete?
Is that your friend?
Just give it to me already. I know I did. Oh, I have no idea what to do. So, borax. Teaspoon.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
See you soon.
Dad,
Rowan.
can you get 1 teaspoon ready, please? Okay, so that was kind of a big fail because I couldn't find the borax.
Please excuse all the shadows. Once again, I am using artificial lighting. So, anyways, let's just get started.
But now I'm trying to do a different slime video.
And I'll just spatula. I also need some pea basil. It's optional, but you could use some hair conditioner. It just makes these hair a lot silky.
Dad, can I use some of my hair conditioner?
Hair conditioner?
Yeah.
What for?
Slime?
Instead of borax?
I can't find borax.
Oh, just wait till Mommy gets something. Probably knows where it's at.
But I want to make like super glossy and clicky slime. Plus, it's my conditioner,
Did you buy it with your money?
but I use it.
Buh,
I'm not the one who uses it, right? I'm using it.
Okay. We'll have to take some money out of your funds.
And smoother lotion. It just makes it more silky and stretchy. Next.
I probably just need this bowl. Probably have to throw this out. Okay, this is all the stuff I used, and I've paused this video for about 2 hours. So it's dark outside, and I tried to make another pair slime because I couldn't find borax at first. But then I tried to make other slime. It was just a disaster. So, yeah. So now we're gonna do other stuff, since it was like 1 second to you guys. So, I'm gonna put this away and I'm gonna see if I can do some things. Okay, so right now I'm just having a little bit of fun with the extra slime parts. Because when something doesn't work out and there's other stuff to play with that I use for it, I always like to do that because it's just fun. It's just... So, I'm trying to make this really fun playing with all this stuff. I'm dumping a lot of things into this bowl, into a bowl, and so trying to.
Hi. What you doing, girlie? Hi. Trying to get your vacuum. Probably a good idea. Wash your hair. Making bubbles.
But my favorite show is Fuller House because that show is like the best. Well, at least in my opinion. We've all got different opinions. That's mine. So let me put some soap in there.
Butter.
Now I'm gonna go to my sink, put some water in it. See how it all is.
Butter.
pour it in. But I made really, really gross slime. In fact, it isn't really slime. It isn't slime at all. Just this stuff. It's just gross. Just see, maybe I wasn't meant for slime. But it's just. But I am meant for doing crazy stuff. But this is. But I don't know why. I just love putting liquid in here and making it to like a pink colored pool with stuff inside it. Just love doing it. It's just so fun. I mean, you can't blame me for having fun. It's like a pink drink. Yes, but it's a dough. So, I'm just having a lot of fun right now, because that's what I like to do. A lot of people know that, but if nobody knows that, then they just don't know me that well. But I just love having fun and doing weird stuff. I'm gonna get one of those thingies. Okay, so I'm going to use one of these. Scoop it up. And then, wait, this is like a mini funnel. So, basically like, so I'm gonna try to put, this is so fun. Oh, how did that get in there? I don't know. Hey, what was that? Is that a little bit of paint I saw there? Probably a little bit after this, I'm gonna end the video. 'Cause oh my gosh.
Uh-oh. What happened?
Want your new Sprite? Chug it all down.
What?
Sprite.
What are you doing, honey?
To this.
No, you're throwing honey.
What?
You're making a mess.